Before you invest in Flow for productivity and time management, there are 12 critical things you need to know, and some might surprise you, especially when compared to other options out there. Stick around because by the end, you'll know if it's right for you or if a better alternative exists. First, Flow's interface is clean and minimal, making it easy to jump into. But if you're used to tools like Asana or ClickUp, you might notice that advanced customization options are limited. This simplicity works for small teams, but could feel restrictive for larger, more complex workflows. Next, its task management system is solid, but it doesn't go beyond the basics. While you can assign tasks, set deadlines, and add comments, other tools offer dynamic features like custom automation or dependencies between tasks, which Flow lacks. The third thing is pricing. Flow sits in the mid-range, which can be attractive, but it doesn't always justify its cost when competitors offer similar features at lower prices or with more flexibility in their free plans. Fourth, Flow's calendar integration is functional but not groundbreaking. You can sync with tools like Google Calendar, but real-time updates aren't as seamless as in tools like Monday.com or Trello. Next, collaboration features are good but not exceptional. You can comment and tag team members, but it lacks advanced communication tools like built-in video chat or real-time editing available in tools like Notion or Teams. The sixth thing is that Flow's mobile app is decent, but not as robust as the desktop version. For users who work on the go, this could be a deal breaker, especially if you rely heavily on your phone or tablet. Next, reporting is another weak point. If your team needs detailed analytics or custom reports to track progress, Flow's basic reporting features may not cut it compared to ClickUp or Wrike. Eighth, Flow doesn't support as many third-party integrations as other platforms. If you rely on a variety of apps for CRM, automation, or other workflows, Flow might feel isolated. The ninth thing is that while Flow is great for straightforward projects, it struggles with more complex methodologies like Agile or Kanban. Competitors like Jira or Smartsheet are better suited for these needs. Next, onboarding is quick and simple, which is great for small teams. But for larger groups needing detailed training or support, you might find Flow's resources limited compared to platforms with more robust customer support. 11th, Flow's stability and speed are solid, but it doesn't feel as optimized for large teams handling high volumes of tasks. If you're scaling quickly, you might experience slowdowns. Finally, Flow works well for users who value simplicity and a clean interface. But if you're someone who needs extensive customizations, advanced features, or broader integrations, Flow could leave you wanting more. Overall, Flow is a decent choice for small teams or straightforward workflows. But if you're looking for something more versatile or powerful, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free. It might just be the better fit for your productivity needs.